Om Shanti. Morning Murli, 5th August. Sweet letter of Bap Dada for sweet children. Essence. Sweet children, there is very little time left. Therefore, do the spiritual business. The best business is to remember the Father and your inheritance. Everything else is wrong business. Sweet children, there is very little time left. Therefore, do spiritual business. The best business is to remember the Father and your inheritance. Everything else is wrong business. Question: what concern should you children have? What concern should you children have? Answer: how to reform souls who have been spoiled, to liberate everyone from sorrow and to show them the path of happiness for 21 births, and to give everyone the Father's due introduction. You children should be concerned about all of this. Song: no one is unique like the innocent Lord. Om Shanti. The innocent Lord explains the meaning of Om Shanti to you children. He himself says Om Shanti, and you children also say Om Shanti. This is giving your own introduction, which is: I, the soul, am an embodiment of peace, a resident of the land of peace. Our Father is also the resident of that place. Okay? On the path of devotion too, they say Baba, Baba. Although people sing this, they follow the dictates of Raman. The dictates of Raman spoil human beings. The Father comes and reforms that which has been spoiled. There is one Raman and one Rama. The five vices altogether are Raman. Raman establishes his own kingdom, that is of our sitting in the cottage of sorrow. That one spoils everyone, and this one reforms everyone. Ravan cannot be considered to be a human being. However, he is portrayed as representing the five vices of man and the five vices of woman. In Ravan's kingdom, both have vices. You know that you also had five vices in you. We are now becoming viceless by following Shrimad. We are reforming that which has been spoiled. Just as the Father reforms everything of everyone that has been spoiled, so children too should be just as eager to reform that which has been spoiled. Baba is saying, just as the Father reforms everything of everyone that has been spoiled, so the children too should have just as eager to reform that which has been spoiled. All human beings continue to spoil one another. Only the one Father reforms everything that has been spoiled. Just as you have been reformed, also have the same concern to help unhappy souls. Only the worthy children can fulfill the eagerness that the Father has. The intellects of you children should be eager to reform that which has been spoiled. So explain to your friends and relatives, also show them the path. Make unhappy human beings happy for 21 births, because after all they are your brothers and sisters. They are very unhappy and peaceless. We are claiming our inheritance from the Father, and so think about how to go and explain to others and give lectures. Go to every home. Go to every home and to the temples. The Father gives you direction. You can do a lot of service in the temples. There are many devotees. Many people go to a Shiva temple out of blind faith. They go with one desire or another inside themselves. They don't understand that Shiva is their Father. He is praised so much, and so surely he must have done something before he went back. Why do they go to a Shiva temple? Why do they go on pilgrimages to Amarnath? Brahman priests and sannyasis take many pilgrims there. That is the business of the path of devotion. They would not be reformed through that. Only the Father, the innocent Lord, comes and reforms everything that has been spoiled. He is the creator, the master of the world, but he does not become that himself. He makes you children the masters. He makes you children the masters. However, he is the highest and you are receiving the inheritance from him. Let it enter your hearts how you can go and show your brothers and sisters this path. You feel mercy when you see someone unhappy and deceased. The Father says, I will now make you so happy and you will not be deceased for half a cycle. So you children should also show others the way to the land of happiness. Those who are concerned about doing service will not be able to stay in one place. They would understand that they should go and show someone the path to be the land of happiness. Baba challenges you a great deal. If you have fully imbibed the imperishable jewels of knowledge, you can benefit many. There is no need for money in establishing this kingdom. Those people continue to fight and quarrel among themselves by following Ravan's dictates. We are snatching our kingdom back from Ravan. The kingdom of Rama can only be received from God. The kingdom of God Rama begins with the golden age. How can the kingdom of God Rama exist here in the iron age? This is the Ravan's kingdom and everyone is unhappy. So you can explain this to everyone. First of all, explain to those who are poor and to businessmen. Important people say that they are too busy or that they don't have time. They believe that they are making Bharat into heaven and they continue to make plans. However, you know that no one except Shiv Baba can create heaven. Very little time now remains. You must not become slack in establishing the kingdom of Rama. Day and night be concerned about how to liberate someone from sorrow. Let it enter the hearts of your children, how to show the path to your brothers and sisters. Everyone now follows Ravan's dictates. The Father is the Father and he comes and gives you children your inheritance. People go to court and say, I shall tell the truth considering God to be present everywhere. However, if he is omnipresent, then to whom do they pray? They don't know anything. The Father repeatedly explains to you, awaken your friends and relatives. You children have to become very sweet. You children have to become very sweet. Let there not be the slightest trace of anger. However, not all children are able to become like that. Maya catches hold of many children by their nose. No matter how much you explain, they just don't listen. The Father also understands that it may take time before everyone becomes engaged in doing the Father's service very well. You also have to have that interest to go to Baba and say, Baba, send me on service. Baba, send me on service. I will go and benefit others. However, they don't say anything. The children's business is to relate the true Gita. There are just the two words, Alf and Be. Baba has explained this method to you very well. The first thing is, what is your relationship with the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul? First thing is, what is your relationship with the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul? The name Prajapita Brahma Kumaris is written down below. Baba shows you a very new method and tells you very easy things. Baba is eager for such boards to be put up. Baba is eager for such boards to be put up. Baba gives you direction. The Father is called the merciful and blissful one. Therefore, you children also have to become merciful like the Father. There are very big treasures contained in these pictures. There are very big treasures contained in these pictures. They have in them the art of showing you how to become the masters of heaven. The Father continues to show you many methods. He invented them in the previous cycle and has invented them now too. It would touch people that this is something very good. We will definitely receive our inheritance from the Father. Also, right, you have a right to the inheritance of heaven. Come and understand this. This is a very easy thing. Simply make such boards and put them up in the prominent places. Put up boards in 10 to 20 places. You can also advertise this. These words will touch the children who have become separated from us. They would say, let me at least go and find out what they are explaining. It should also be written, by understanding this riddle, you can attain liberation and liberation in life in a second. The Father says, if you want to create your life, do service. If you want to create your life, do service. Come to the ocean to be refreshed and then do service. You have been stumbling around for half the cycle on the path of devotion. Here you have to know the Father in a second and claim your inheritance. It is now everyone's stage of retirement. Death is just ahead. This is the best business of all. All the other business that people do is wrong. Simply do the one business of remembering the Father and the inheritance. Simply do the one business of remembering the Father and the inheritance. Go to colleges and explains to the principal so that those who study there can also be understand. You are claiming your inheritance so easily. Remember the Father as much as possible. Remember the Father as much as possible. Acha, to the sweetest, beloved, long lost and now found children, love, remembrance and good morning from the Mother, the Father, Bap, Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children, and we spiritual children says Namaste, good morning to our sweetest spiritual father. Essence for Dharana. First, become very, very sweet. Become very, very sweet. Remove even the slightest trace of anger. Become merciful like the Father and be ready to do service. Second, death is just ahead. Death is just ahead. It is now your stage of retirement. Therefore, remember the Father and the inheritance. Use everything of yours in a worthwhile way to do the service of making Bharat into the kingdom of Rama. Use everything of yours in a worthwhile way to do the service of making Bharat into the kingdom of Rama. Today's blessing, feel Baba's hand on your head and take blessing. May you sacrifice even the slightest trace of body consciousness and become exceedingly strong. May you sacrifice even the slightest trace of body consciousness and become exceedingly strong. The biggest weakness is body consciousness. The biggest weakness is body consciousness. The subtle prajna of body consciousness is very big. To sacrifice body consciousness means to surrender the slightest trace and also its prajna. Only those who make such a sacrifice become exceedingly strong. Only those who make such a sacrifice become exceedingly strong. If you have kept the slightest trace of body consciousness hidden anywhere, if you consider this consciousness to be self respect, then although you may be able to see some temporary victory, it would be defeat in the long term. It will be defeat in the long term. Slogan: I don't desire it. Icha: I don't desire it, but I liked it. Acha. This too is the stage of being in a life of bondage. I don't desire it, but I liked it. This too is the stage of being in a life of bondage. Om Shanti.